Yeah, this big 15-foot bat wing bush hog, however many feet it is, it takes about every bit of this tractor to pull it. Yeah, long to get the blades turning. So this might be the day. It might be the day it all comes crashing down. So some genius somewhere who wanted to make a little bit more money made a 540 spline PTO and a 1000 spline PTO. I think it's 540 RPM and 1000 RPM, which is how fast it spins. So thanks a lot, guy. The 4040 tractor comes where you can switch them out. Some tractors you can't switch them out and you have to use adapters. But let me tell you this bush hog is so fun that I have to go from 540 to 1000, and then this is only, I forget the diameter of this. I have to put an adapter on this so I can get up to the diameter required on that one. So after doing all of that, and then I have to go through and put this adapter on there to get it out to that thickness and diameter to fit the standard PTO shaft on there. There's probably a better way to do it, but this one worked. This is the way it worked out. So that's what we're doing. So once we get all that hooked up, PTO lets us transfer power from the gear case of this tractor from the motor. With a switch we could turn it on and turn this shaft, which will transmit power down this PTO shaft, goes to this gearbox, and then it'll turn those gearboxes on all three of those bush hog heads so that we can cut 15 foot wide. It's a beautiful thing when it's working. You just got to get it working. Now, this is interesting. A lot of people probably don't know this. These old John Deere 4040s, use a pair of needle nose like this. There's a locking ring that holds these shafts in here. This one up here is for storage. And you can pull this one out of storage. And have this ready to go in there. Because this one requires these number of splines. Woo! Alright, you gotta have one ready to go back in because the old starts to come on out. Let's just pray that the splines are lined up. Are you saying a prayer? Oh! I don't think it lined up. Dang it. We can go ahead and put this one up here for storage. I always forget to wear gloves. Damn! Might as well go ahead and lay in it now. This will be on everything. I don't remember it being this hard. I've forgotten a step. Let me go get a flat screw. Just stop what you're doing and get what you need to work with. If this don't get it, might just go inside and call it a day. I know somebody in the comments is gonna say, yeah, you're doing that wrong, buddy. Okay, got it. Now this is the fun down here. That's supposed to go a little further. What have I done wrong? Where did I go wrong, Lord? Oh, is that it? What am I doing wrong? Do you know? Oh God, I've really messed up now. There's probably some critical step I'm not doing. So if you're really cool, you have two tractors, one with 540, one with 1000 PTO shaft. You don't have to do this. I ain't that cool. I don't know what I've malaligned. Is that the word? Where the last several times I've done this, it went in perfect. Might be time to get on the forums. Hallelujah. So this ring, when you squeeze it, gets small and you let it go, it springs back open, and there's a little groove in there it's got to sit in. So we gotta bring it together to get it in there. Oh, whew. All right, we're cooking now. I think there's a can't remember if there's a double groove there. I don't think there is on this side. But I can just read the comments now. You ain't supposed to use that big of a adapter on this size to do this. Alright. And tighten it first. Is it even tightening? Definitely grabbed the wrong size. Shh, don't tell anybody to delete that part of the video. Don't talk about it. Yeah, I think that one fits a little better. We're almost there. See how much hydraulic oil we've let out. My better answer. Stick's still dry when you do that. I'll have time to add some. It's been a while since this baby's flexed, so she might not slide too good. This thing's so heavy. Oh, come on, baby girl. Oh, thank you. Okay. It don't usually happen that easy. I'm about to see the tires start blowing. There's some weight on that bad boy. So let's see if the trailer's gonna crank. Broke my step off getting in and out of it. I'm doing square bells. Alright. Say a small prayer.